Welcome to Basic C Programming. Episode 3, Constants and Operators in C Programming. Constants are fixed values that do not change during program execution. They can be numeric, character, or string types, and are defined using the const keyword or the hash-define preprocessor directive. Constants in C are of several types: integer, floating point, character, and string constants. For example, 10, -5, and 0 are integer constants. 3.14 is a floating point constant. Single characters like capital A or hash are character constants, while text in double quotes like hello are string constants. Operators are symbols used to perform operations on variables and values. Examples include plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, increment, decrement, equal to, not equal to, and logical operators like in, or, and not. There are 5 main types of operators in C: arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, and increment or decrement operators. This diagram shows how constants and variables are combined using operators to form expressions that produce output. Here is a simple example of a constant declaration and display using printf. When you run this program, it displays the constant value on the screen. In this example, we define a constant pi using the const keyword. The program calculates the area of a circle using the formula pi times radius squared. The output of example 1, using constants, is as follows. Area of circle equals 78.54. This program demonstrates arithmetic and relational operators. It performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus operations, and compares two numbers using the greater than operator. The output of example 2, arithmetic and relational operators, is as follows. Sum equals 13. Difference equals 7. Product equals 30. Quotient equals 3. Remainder equals 1. Is A greater than B? 1. In this example, logical and assignment operators are used. The logical and checks if both conditions are true, and the compound assignment operator x plus equal to 3 increases the value of x by 3. The output of example 3, logical and assignment operators, is as follows. Logical and result equals 1. After x plus equals 3, x equals 8. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these C programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Define a constant for gravity and print its value. Use printf to display the value. Exercise 2. Write a program to demonstrate arithmetic operators using two numbers entered by the user. Take input using scanf and perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Exercise 3. Create a program to check whether a number is positive or negative using relational operators. Use if-else statements to check the condition and print the result. Exercise 4. Use logical operators to test if a number lies between 1 and 100. Use the AND operator to combine the conditions and print true or false. Exercise 5. Write a program that increases a number by 5 using an assignment operator. Use the plus equals operator to update the number and print the new value. Thank you for watching episode 3. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic C programming series.